Hey everyone, this is Akhil from Install and Not, and today we have the Nokia 2.2 smartphone with us. It's the first smartphone from Nokia 2 series to be part of the Android One family, and it's a budget device from Nokia. So let's have a quick look at the device and see what all does it have to offer. So the Nokia joins the comprehensive lineup of Nokia smartphones, part of the Android One family, and here we have the retail unit of the Nokia 2.2 smartphone with us. So let's quickly unbox it and see what all does it have to offer. So the first thing inside the box is the Nokia 2.2 smartphone in tungsten black color variant, and the device feels quite plasticky. It's all made of plastic and feels quite light. Seems like there's no battery inside it. Overall, the black color seems pretty nice and the device feels good to hold in hand. Next, we have some user manuals and documentations for the device. Next thing inside the box, we have the removable battery for the Nokia 2.2 smartphone. It's a 3000 mAh of battery and it's placed separately inside the box. So let's quickly install the battery inside the device. On opening the device, we see that the device has a dual SIM card slot on the left, on the top, and on the right hand side it has a micro SD card slot as well. So on installing the battery, let's put the cover back on and the device is ready to go. Next, we have a micro USB cable to charge the device, and we also have a power brick to charge the device, and it's rated at 5 watts and 1 amperes. Now let's turn on the device and talk more about the specifications of the device. So talking about the specifications of the Nokia 2.2, the device has a 5.7 inches HD plus display with 19:9 aspect ratio and has a selfie notch as well at the top. And talking about the CPU, it's powered by a MediaTek Helio A22 processor. It's a quad-core processor with 4 cores of A53 that's clocked at 2 GHz. And talking about the storage, the device comes in multiple storage and RAM variants. So we have option of 2 GB and 3 GB of RAM, and there's a storage option of 6 GB and 32 GB of internal storage as well. And there's also support for micro SD card slot. So the Nokia 2.2 is part of the Android One family from Nokia, and it's the first device from Nokia 2 series to be part of the Android One. So this device is running on Android 9.0 Pie, and Nokia has guaranteed that it would be upgradable to Android Q later sometime. So being part of the Android One family, Nokia 2.2 has the cleanest Android and it's running with no bloatware, and there's quite a few settings that are available, like there are a few gestures to control the device, and apart from this it's as good as a Pixel device, and there are not much modifications done by Nokia on this device. So while using the device, we find that the performance of the device is quite moderate, and for this price that it's available, you can't ask for more. Basic day-to-day activities like phone calling, messaging, internet browsing, and everything works fine, and considering the price of this device, and it's sufficient for what it's offering at this price point. So the Nokia 2.2 does not have a fingerprint sensor on the back, and the only form of biometric authentication is the face unlock on this device. So the face unlock is the setup process is quite easy and it's standard as you can see on the other devices, and the setup is quite fast and it's done in no time. Once it's set up, the face unlock works quite well, and let's try it out. So as you can see, the face unlock was quite moderate. It's not the fastest, but it does the job well. Talking about the cameras, we have a 13 megapixel rear camera with f2.2 aperture and is a single LED flash as well. And the camera offers a lot many features such as HDR, panorama, low light mode, time lapse, beauty mode, and there's also a Google Lens inbuilt inside the camera app. So now let's see how well the Google Lens works on this device. So at the front, we have a 5 megapixel front facing selfie camera, and the camera offers a lot many features such as time lapse mode, Google Lens, and there's a panorama mode as well for the front facing camera. So the Nokia 2.2 is available in tungsten black and steel color variants, and there's an offer price going on the device, and it's available for 7,000 for the 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, and for 8,000 you get the 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and the device will be available starting June 30th, and this is a promotional price and the price might increase after the promotion ends. So that's it from us. So do let us know how do you like the Nokia 2.2 smartphone, and we'll keep you posted more about the device, and we'll be reviewing the device on our blog. So that's it from our side, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and like the video if you like it. This was Akhil from Install and Not, and stay tuned for more such videos like this.